2016 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, climate control, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.